Hello.
Hey, another Evie vlog takeover. It's gonna be great. These two are jumping out of an airplane. It's Will's birthday. Happy 18th birthday. They're jumping out of an airplane. How are you guys feeling?
I feel great.
It's good. I just signed my life away.
We did do that.
This vlog still needs to come out if something goes wrong. Okay?
Anything
I don't know how to do that.
I'll do it.
Joseph will do it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
But, Will's the GOAT. JK. Oh, he's gone.
I'm here also.
Okay.
I'm here.
Before. They're going. Yay! Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear William. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Your channel. I'm signing away my life. That's what I said. Okay, so it has been raining.
So it's been delayed.
We've been waiting for a really long time. But they're about to get suited up to go jump out of an airplane. Yay!
We'll update you later.
Okay. Okay, Mallory, how are you feeling?
Nervous.
For Will? Are you nervous for Will?
Yeah, and Joe. Hopefully they don't die.
How are you feeling, Patty?
Joe needs to survive. I don't want to feel like.
What about Will?
No, he can fall out and.
No, Will, we need you to live.
No, Will, we need you. We need you, Will.
How are you feeling?
Close camera.
Tell us how you're feeling.
Yay.
Okay. Joseph, how are you feeling?
I'm ready to eat after this.
I want to eat too.
He has a new baby, so we have to make a bet. Okay, ready?
All right, man. Any last words for your friends and family?
Welcome to Skydive Airtime. What are we about to do? Jump out of an airplane. Are you crazy? Yeah. Yeah. Anything you want to say to anybody before we go? I wrote you letters. Bye, friends. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's take a couple of pictures just in case we don't make it. We got some good pictures for the memorial. Yeah! We get buried together. Yeah! Let's go, buddy. All right. Let me make sure. Oh, goggles. Yeah, goggles. Okay.
Woo! Oh, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Whatever. Goodbye. See you later. Yeah.
Will's the GOAT. JK.
Bye, Will. Bye, Joe. Okay, so we're finally ready, and they're in the sky in an airplane, and they're gonna jump here in a few minutes, and we're super excited. Finally.
And hopefully they don't get in an accident.
And hopefully they don't die.
Would be a shame.
Are you excited that they're finally jumping?
Sure.
Oh, okay.
It was saying sure to me.
Oh, I can hear the plane.
There they are.
Where?
Right there.
Where I see him, I see him.
Where?
Up there.
I don't see him.
Oh, that sucks.
I can't.
They're like right above the tree.
Oh, I see him now. I see him. I see him. I see you guys.
Did this jump out?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's like a really bad ride.
No.
Yeah, that hurts so much. I would have done more turns, but like, it was just and then the switch from like left to right.
So, Will's hair got an updo. Look at Will's
That
hair.
was. Whoa.
They made it.
Awesome.
Joe is the go.
Highly recommend
Will
it.
is the go.
Do it
Oh,
if you
not
can.
No JK.
Evie's-
No
Evie's gonna do
JK.
it.
Yeah, Evie's gonna do
Evie's
it.
gonna do it.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Yay!
Yeah, Evie's gonna do it. Yay!
Hi guys, like and subscribe
Like
for
and
more
subscribe,
Evie
or I will
content.
chop up your